Hey, thank you for visiting the Lakeside Yard Services YouTube channel. For this video, we have a client in the cliffs here on Lake Keowee in Sunset, South Carolina. Have a pretty steep driveway, and the water was eroding the driveway on both sides and heading directly down towards the house. So what we did here was we excavated on both sides of the driveway, creating basically a dry creek. We installed river rock over woven commercial synthetic material, and also installed grate drains and catch basins to redirect the water away from the house. We also installed decorative concrete curbing around the landscape features to keep the water from going beyond the concrete driveway. And then we also installed a brand new concrete golf cart path down to the lake. If this is something you're looking for, please give us a call at 864-916-2018. Thank you.